Please welcome you onto the stage. Well, in the best of Indian traditions, lighting a lamp always marks the beginning of a new thing. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, as they say. Thank you so much, Dr. Shruti and Aarti. In fact, I would like to invite Dr. Shruti Malhotra from Dr. Malti Manipal Hospital, the unit head, to give us the welcome address.
Hello, good afternoon everybody. I feel extremely honored to be here today, collaborating this event with Cherish. On behalf of Cherish and Dr. Malti Manipal Hospital, I welcome you all. We do understand that these are the most important moments in the life of a mum to be, so-called, all the beautiful women who are getting ready backstage. And without wasting much time, I know you're all looking forward to the great event that's lined up today. The highlight of the event is definitely the fashion show that I'm really excited about watching. And the best part is the winner of the fashion show walks away with a free delivery package at Malti Manipal Hospital in a private room. So to actually motivate the participants further, I'll just run you through the brief overview of what the participants will get when they actually come into the hospital. So that's our hospital, Malti Manipal, situated in Jayanagar. It's a 70-bed super speciality hospital. We have all facilities and our key focus is mother and child care. We have the best of consultants consulting with us. It's ISO recognized hospital. The brief overview of the hospital services that we have, our reception, the lab services, OPD, lobby, the CT scan, etc. Now what we focus on mother and child care is end-to-end. We also have collaborated with Ankur, which is a infertility center, so we actually take care of from that phase till antenatal, till the time the baby is born, and postnatal care. The women and child facilities is our niche. OBG and gynecology. This talks about all the end-to-end services that we offer. Wish you all the best and wish all the participants all the best. Thank you so much.
It is in partnership with Dr. Malti Manipal Hospitals that this event, My Beautiful Bump, which is positioned by the organizer, by somebody who has conceived it as not just a program, but as a movement to cherish. And that's for every mom-to-be and every young mother. Why don't we have the lady herself to come and speak about it? Aarti Kuppu, we welcome you to tell us more about how you conceived of this in the first place. Aarti Kuppu.
Thank you very much, Vasanti, and thanks all of you for having made it here. It's indeed an extremely happy moment for me and a very, very exciting moment to present this. And to me, it is of special importance because we wish to really focus on the woman, her happiness and her health. And this comes from a very deep-seated experience that I've had, which has moved me in the past and which has propelled me in this direction and which continues to propel me into the future. And that is this. Every time I hear about a mother or a conversation with a mother-to-be, the question is about whether the child is kicking, whether the child is happy, whether the child is moving. I seldom find a question asking the mother-to-be whether she is happy, whether she feels good about this. And this is but a small gesture in that direction. And I do hear a lot of laughter at the back. There's a lot of excitement. And I hope that all of you will share that and cheer them on. And I would like to hear huge cheers and huge claps as they walk the stage. Now, they are normal women with a lot of excitement, and they've brought themselves here. They're not professional models. So bear with all of us, bear it, and hope you will all enjoy it as much as we have enjoyed it, bringing it to you. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Well, Aarti, the founder of Cherish Maternity, somebody who's an entrepreneur, but also a mother of two herself, used to work in the US of A, and she told me that when she came to Bangalore, she thought that she should do something in the space of maternal health care, and that's what Cherish is all about. Well, we begin the most awaited event of the day, following which is also a very interesting and crucial panel discussion. We have some of the leading gynecologists and also a journalist who reports extensively on maternal health, and that is something that is going to be a takeaway for all of us, no matter who. And before that, of course, the ramp walk. There's been quite a bit of an excitement in the green room as I have been watching since morning. Young mums to be and also new mothers who want to walk the ramp, who wait for our cheer. Let me also tell you that when the results will be announced this afternoon, there's going to be one person who walks away with the crown of Cherish Queen, and she gets to win, like Dr. Shruti Malhotra said earlier, a free delivery package in a private room from Dr. Malati Manipal Hospital, besides a ride that will pamper her in a Mercedes-Benz from Taxi for Sure, and besides, other participants will win goodies and attractive prizes. So may we now begin the pageant for the mums to be, the beautiful bump event. I would like to invite the jury for this, for which I would like to invite Dr. Bharti Rajanna. Please, ma'am, if we could have you center stage in the jury seat. HOD and Chief Obstetrician at Columbia Asia Hospital. There's also Dr. Jyotsna Madan, Chief Obstetrician at Dr. Malati Manipal Hospital. Manish Dev, ace choreographer, designer, stylist, event manager. Besides Dr. Rupa, please, we welcome you on to the jury for this unique pageant that's held for all the beautiful women who have registered with Cherish and this event.